Hello friends, in previous video we have learned about prompt function. Prompt function helps us in taking the input from the user and make our program user friendly. Now in this video we will learn about what is concatenation and how to use concatenation operator or concat function. So basically what is concatenation? Concatenation is joining multiple strings, more than two strings together in a single string, and this is known as concatenation. The concatenation operator is plus, and the function for concatenation is concat. This is the function and this is the operator. We can use anyone from this to concatenate more than two strings. So I'm deleting this. So before starting, just copy this to a new file and pasting this in new file and deleting this document.write because this is not necessary for this, and saving this file as concat. So always remember to put this script tag between the head tag. It is suitable for JavaScript programming. So now the function concat and the symbol plus both are used for concatenation, and before starting I am declaring three variables str1, where str2 and str3. So there are three variables and I am assigning values to two variables. str1 will have a value hello and str2 will have value of world. So when we concatenate these, our output will be hello world. So I am assigning value to this by using operator, not the function str2. So when we print document.write and we print str3, our output will be hello space world. So when we open the file where we have saved our file, this concat is our file, and opening this file our output will be hello world. So here is our output, and this, because we haven't provided any space in it, we have to provide space in here, or first concatenate a space like str1 plus equals to double quotes space. So what will it do? Simply str1 will have a space between after hello. This concatenation, this is self concatenation operator, that means str1 equals to str1 plus, this is what we have done in this. So this is the same thing what we have done by the shorthand operator, and when we save this file our output will change surely. And see here, this is a blank space here because we have provided or concatenated a space after this hello. So, and now I am using the concat function also to justify things. So I am declaring a new variable, or we don't need a variable, we just use this str3 to concatenate again. str3 equals to str1 dot concat, and here we just have to provide the second string what we have to print on screen, and not using document dot write str3. Again I'm deleting this and this also, and declaring this variable var str3 here, and now refreshing this, and again this hello world without a spaces here. So our both type whatever we want to do by we can concatenate by using both type. The output will be same by using concat function or by using the normal plus operator in it. So thanks for watching this video. In next video we will learn how to create a self-made or user defined function, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification of latest videos. Thank you.